Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play e-games on Game Pass PC. Open the Xbox app, sign in, then enable EA Play from the Game Pass tab to unlock EA titles ready to install. After enabling EA Play, search for the EA game you want, click Install, and follow any prompts to link your EA account. This method saves time and keeps all your Game Pass games in one place. Linking your EA account is simple and avoids unnecessary sign-in loops. Open the EA game through the Xbox app and choose to link accounts when prompted. Confirm the email and authorize the connection so progress and purchases sync correctly. If you see any permission screens, accept them to complete the link. Once linked, your EA Play benefits will appear under Game Pass and games will install normally without extra steps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. They keep lunches secure and save cleanup time while you game. I use them for snacks during long sessions, and they really cut down on mess. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a set if you like kitchen convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Installing EA games through Game Pass is straightforward and familiar. Find the game entry in the Xbox app, press Install, and monitor download progress from the My Collection area. Make sure you have enough disk space and pick the preferred drive to avoid interruptions. When installation finishes, launch directly from the Xbox app or use the Start menu shortcut to play. Keep the app updated for the best compatibility and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.